Hey guys, this is Carter Dome here, and welcome back to another video. So, in today's specialty video, we're gonna be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now, the big reveal, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Wow. I haven't gone to Android for like a long time, since 2016, or either 2017, but yeah. I'm finally back to Android. But yeah, I'm like comfortable with Apple and Android and all between, because whatever phone you use, that's what you use. So I decided to make this big commitment and switching to the Samsung. So without further ado, let's do this unboxing video. Here comes the main phone. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Look at this box. And it has this jet black design, or the S Pen. Nothing further ado, we're gonna be opening this up. So here's the pull tab. We're gonna open this up. 1, 2, 3. All right, here we go. Further ado, 1, 2, 3. Right that way. Dun dun dun. Wow. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this beauty. I have no idea if this is like a serial number, but still. Look at that beauty right there. That is beautiful. This chip. Yeah. Look at how shining towards the light is. Like, holy damn. Alright, now, the thing we're gonna do, we're gonna peel this aside. We're gonna feel this. This thing is massive. Holy damn. Yeah, the volume adjustments are on this side instead of the right. Wow. Alright, in this side, there's like accessories in here. Let's see what we got. In here, we should get, we got the SIM ejector tool right over here. Right this side. We also got lovely a charger, but no brick. And quick start guide and all of this yada yada things about Android, but we're not going to read this, so setting up the side. Charger. I already have a wall adapter, so we don't need this. But empty. Obviously empty. And now the big reveal. 1, 2, 3. Alright, now we got it out of its seal. Let's boot her up for the very first time. 1, 2, 3. Oh, is this coming on? Come on, please, turn on. Samsung. No. Oh, there we go. Whoa, Samsung Galaxy. Okay, here we go. Any moment now. Powered by Android. Oh. What's happening? Whoa. Welcome. Here we go. Alright. Wow, we only have like 39% of its battery. This is a recording on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, all using in auto settings. On 13 Pro, oh, my bad, the iPhone 13, with this actual zoom, look at this. That's kind of smooth. Wow. But yeah. Zoom back. All the way out. Yep. Now you can see Gojo like